Hello. It's wiping its face on your coat.
Hello. Hey, Mr. Parrot.
It had a cough. Oh God, it's biting you.
You got your hair in there? Yes. Mr. Parrot. Why is this? Okay, Mr. Parrot. What's it doing?
It's just laughing at you. Oh God, it's really creepy. Hello. It's not doing it now. Hello. Hello.
Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss.
Oh, it wants to give you a kiss. It wants to give you a kiss.
I don't want to kiss it. I wish Shirley could help me. Okay, it's nibbling my ear.
Oh God, it loves you.
This is weird. You're very pretty, Mr.
Just knock it. Knock it.
Get it off me.
I can't. Take your coat off, it'll come. Quick, get it out.
Where is it?
I don't know, but I'm still filming it. Get it out.
Laura, please, I'm not
I don't know how to get it out.